stuck in my mind and I want more. No, we got a thing going on. Walked up and kissed me on the spot. I'm still thinking about it. I really miss it quite a lot. And I try to see things about you that could make me change my way. I cannot find a thing I'm into you. You say whatever you want to. You go wherever you need to. So many reasons loving you. Yeah, girl, you're amazing. You know your way around feelings. Upfront, but not about hurting. So many reasons loving you.
Yan guys, so check-in na kami. Pal yung flight namin. So inagaan din namin 9:30 nandito na kami, pero 12 pa yung flight namin.
Do you remember when we couldn't get enough of it all?
Yan guys, ka-check-in lang namin. So gate 2 kami. Maya pa 12 yung flight namin. Let's go guys, samahan nyo kami. Bibili muna kami ng kape.
Every time we try to break it down and build again. Yeah, every time we try to make up for something lost. You know, we never let it go. This time we can reach the sky on a prayer. We go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake. 'Cause it's something
Ating mga pasahero na manatili lamang sa kanilang itinagdang bahagi ng passenger boarding car. From 9 p.m.
all of a sudden you'll be standing
The
there with
Titan,
someone
pull
new.
loose end of the strap. So lubricate tape around your waist, and footrest stowed.
Dream alive, the art of letting go. 'Cause every time we try to make a stand and start again. Yeah, every time we try to make up and make amends. You know, when push comes to shove, this time we can reach the sky on a prayer. We go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake. 'Cause it's something we can't deny. But with a love like this, why can't you see what you're doing to me? Please don't leave me hanging like this. I try to recall and make sense of it all.
Yun guys, nandito na kami sa service. Ang biyahe is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So libre na rin yung van from airport to Astoria. So hintay lang namin si Kuya kasi sinundo pa yung ibang guest din ng hotel. Kasabay rin namin sa flight.
You know, we never let it go. This time we can reach the sky on a prayer. We go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake. 'Cause it's something we can't deny. Oh, this time we can reach the sky on a prayer. We go higher than high. Yeah, wide
Check-in muna kami dito sa may Astoria.
mistake. 'Cause it's something we can't deny.
So pag member ka, dito yung receiving. Check-in muna. Pag ano mo dito, swimming pool agad. Ganda. May merienda lang inabot. Habang nagpipill up si Mrs. Ayan, may pamerienda sila. Ihatid na kami sa room namin. Magano kami? Lumpia.
Pwede yan. Dapat patsambahan mo yung hindi maasim. Hindi pa maasim pa kasi yan. Kailangan na ng bagoong asin.
1 to 1 sir, no?
Opo, 1 to 1.
Ito yung room namin.
Pagbawa natin sir. Ma'am, ito po, may isang kicker to po kayo. Spare. And then, Wi-Fi password lang. So, tig-isa rin sir. Yan po.
So guys, ito yung room namin sa Astoria, Palawan, Egret Villa. So, yan. 2 bed siya. Kompleto na rin, may TV. Tapos ito yung bathroom niya. Ito yung ref sa baba. Yun yung reception guys. Tapos tingnan nyo. Napakaraming mangga. Ayan o. Pwede daw manguha ng mangga dito. So magsawa ka sa mangga dito. So tara na. Dinner na tayo mami. So guys, magdi-dinner muna kami.
You say you wanna come over tonight. Yeah, you wanna make up and make it right. When everybody's looking for something else they can do, we try to make it work this time. We had let go of our doubts. Let's make it matter, 'cause we will never ever come down. It looks like we made it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing. If the sky should fall, I'll give you shelter through it all. You better believe it. I'm here if you need me, 'cause it's waiting there for you.
Yung dinner namin. Kukuhanin mo ng pagkain ko.
We had to be bolder tonight. Yeah, we had to turn darkness into light. When everything we had done comes around, comes undone, we try to make it right this time. We just gotta make up our minds. Let's make it matter, 'cause we will never ever slow down. This time we will make it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing. If the sky should fall, I'll give you shelter through it all. You better believe it. I'm here if you need me, 'cause it's waiting there for you. I'm waiting there for you. One love.
All your life you've waited for love.
half of it all. We kept it going for so long, so long. I don't know where I would be if we let it go. 'Cause every time we try to break it down and build again.
Walang tingin.
Good morning guys. Maaga kaming gumising kasi magbe-breakfast kami. Tapos plano namin mag-swimming ngayon. Tapos mag-ano din kami. Magwa-water park. May water park kasi dito. Tapos guys, ang ganda dito. Ang daming mangga talaga. Ayan o. So, tagmangga. Ito yung bila namin. Sasamahan niyo kami. Tara. Ito yung beachfront nila. Mababaw lang yung beach dito, safe maligo. Ganda ng araw. Yan si Marimar. Magbe-breakfast muna kami guys kasi may mga adventure kaming gagawin ngayon, mga water park, tapos nag-swimming din kami. So breakfast buffet muna tayo. Tara. Morning. Ito yung pool nila. Ito Ito yung restaurant naman. Dito kami kakain. Dito rin kami kumain kagabi. Good morning. Thank you. Saan daw? Favorite natin sa camping, coffee. Good morning. Breakfast tayo guys.
There's no place I'd rather be. The feeling within makes me carry on. Let's just come undone. Is this how it feels now? You don't wanna get too close. Ready or not, here we go again. We may stumble and fall, but we play to win. 'Cause it ain't me who's been caught in the landslide. It ain't me you've been thinking about. We may lose what we got, but we're never gonna stop. There's two sides to everything. The star shines brighter now. There's nothing we can do. I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, 'cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. But I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Juliet, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. every day 'cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. Ooh, I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Juliet, baby, you are like the sun.
So guys, punta kami ng Infinity Pool. So mag-swimming muna kami.
'Cause as long as you're here with me, I'll be living long and wild and free. I can get it up, fill me to the top, let me in the champagne burst and pop. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could get me in you. Let's just sleep beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah.
Ito yung Infinity Pool nila.
Will be over soon. Nothing else could be like me and you. Let's just stay beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. I can get it off. We are never done. I'm Juliet, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, throw it to the top. Let me in the champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you're here, love, I'll be living long and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me in the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you're here with me, I'll be living long and wild and free. I can get it up, fill me to the top. Let me in the champagne burst and pop.
Ang ganda ng pool dito guys. Infinity Pool. So maaga kami nag-swimming. Yan, kami pa lang yung nagsiswimming dito ng dalawa. Ayan. Magwa water park adventure naman kami guys. So tapos lang namin maligo sa pool. Sa water park naman kami pupunta. Ito yung magandang activities dito. So guys, ito yung water park dito sa May Astoria. Maganda dito, maraming activities. May slide, may mga water activities sila dito. Yan. Galing na rin kami dito last year. 2024 pala. Ayun. Ang ganda dito. Yan, may man-made waves sila. Tapos may slide din sila dun sa taas. Mamaya mag-slide kami dyan.
Everywhere we go, nobody knows. We're waiting for a sign to let it go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. And sometimes all you need is to smile to get by. We're one step closer. If you wanna see some crazy, I don't sound lazy. You should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight before we all grow up. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, 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 oh. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. And I know that I'm just wasting time, but I don't wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. And I know that I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how I should be. How I should. All we want is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you.
Ito yung mga maraming mangga ulit. Kakatuwa lang. Sobrang daming mangga. So, yun. Magdi-dinner na kami. Special yung pagkain nila ngayon. Ano na? Paano ka na?
Under Nico, ma'am, no? 1 to 1 bila po. Okay. Bali, just for 2 packs ito. Ma'am, bali.
Or two.
1 to 1, ma'am, no?
Ah,
Ay, ma'am, hindi po kayo mag-start for dinner.
okay. Thank you, thank you. Yung sa labas, mami. Yung sa labas. Check lang namin yung masarap niya na food. plans for tonight. Ito yung dinner. Anong kinuha mo? Pusit?
Ito. I-video mo ako. Sige na. Naka-video ba yun?
Oo, siyempre. Date ko ngayon. Dinner namin. Ito naman yung kanya. Ay, ang dinner mo. Tapos ito yung pool. Kain tayo guys. Let's go. Daan na.
You're full of confidence and cheap color. You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And how you turn my life into an imitation, I don't know. I swear I tell the truth and you misunderstood. When I smile, you thought I want you by my side, but baby that's a lie. 'Cause I can see the way you look and how you try to get my attention. Don't you know I'm over you? I'm over you. I'm over you, not my Romeo. And I'm not your sweet little princess. Don't you know I'm over you? I'm over you.
Tapos na namin mag-dinner. Manood ng fire dance saka mga folk dance dito sa Astoria. So yun, pahinga na si Mrs. Nood-nood lang muna ng TV. Good morning guys. So this is our last day na dito sa Astoria. And maaga kami gumising. Kasi magbe-breakfast pa kami bago mag-ayos ang gamit. Yan, medyo makulimlim yung umaga ngayon. Ang ganda dito maligo ngayon, no? Kaso pauwi na kami. Ito yung infinity pool nila. Mas umuulan ngayon. Ito yung resto. So, kain muna kami. Yan si Mrs. Kumukuha na ng pagkain niya. Mami, anong pagkain mo? Yan po lang? Morning. Ito yung breakfast ko. Saan ba kami? Dito pala. Ito yung breakfast namin guys. Ayan si Mrs. Mamaya panghapon yung flight namin. 1:00. Pero check out na kami. Kasi travel pa from here to Puerto Princesa Airport is around 1 hour and 20 minutes. Mga ganyan. So libre naman yung van namin. As yung bag namin, puno-puno ng mangga. Joke lang. Yan. Pwede mamitas pero hindi pwede mag-uwi. Pasoy na lang. Thank you. Hintay lang kami ng van. Tapos dito muna ako sa reception or check out sa hotel. Check out na si Mrs.
Wala sa saksak. Ay, kasi hindi pala kami yun nag-okay. Iwan na pala namin.
Ito may souvenir shop din dito.
Right-handed yung black.
Video mo dyan.
Gusto mo mag-video yung fruits? Ito yan. Gusto mo mag-ito yung fruits? Yan. Mama, gusto mo yan. Hooray! Pindot.
Hindi.
Ha? Ano yung sabi mo pwede, di ba? Ha? Sa atin? Asan? Worry ko. Asan tayo mabili yan? Yung fruits. Yan. DIY? Huh? Okay. Mag-say bawal. Huwag mo say yan. Bawal. Ito. Water park! Gusto ko mapunta doon. Baka naman guys, gusto ko mapunta. Ito. Yan.
Ma'am, thank you. Kala ko sasama ka sa amin eh.
Ilang box pa kami.
Uwi na. So yun guys. See you on our next vlog. So camping naman tayo sa susunod. This is our adventure in Palawan. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat!